I know the viewers are wondering what this is right here. Wanna tell them, boys, what happened about 5 minutes into getting this car? We're all sitting in the car.
I think about the first thing that we decided, because it just like came off my lips, was roadster.
5 minutes into Lexus and chill.
So these essentially are our final cut lines.
Zzz.
Yeah, so we already chopped the top of the doors off.
Pull it up.
Like there's a bunch of boring stuff we did that we didn't feel like you guys really wanted to see. So we like obviously gutted the entire car.
It was like a mint car. I mean, no.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was like,
it was pretty mint.
It had miles on it, but it was full interior. This is a running, driving, just daily driver car. Like not
Full leather.
not customized or anything.
know.
Had some wood grain.
Power seats, power everything. So we took everything out. Sure, Matt and I took out probably 200 pounds worth of wiring.
Yeah, like
Easy.
unbelievable. Like down this side, there was a loom like that thick, and now this is literally the only wires down this right side. Just the fuel sender.
And then over there, it was about the same size, and we got it down to about 8 wires on that side. So,
And yes, it is auto.
For now.
For now. We're gonna see what we can do though. Like that's the thing with this car. It's not gonna be wise fab. It's not gonna be like, they don't make wise fab for us anyways, but it's not gonna be all crazy stuff like that. Like I think we're gonna, Jan was looking up, we can get an SC300 stock handbrake and convert this to have like a regular handbrake. So I think we're gonna do that rather than hydraulic. And angle kit, we were just looking at putting some rack spacers in and shaving some stuff and try to get, 40 degrees or something, but it's just gonna be a ripper, like fun. We're also gonna try, it's a 2JZ GE, so it's non-turbo NA, so we put like a cold air intake on it and chop the exhaust, and we're just gonna see like how much fun we can have with like 240 horsepower. But it's also so de-weighted, like.
this thing's got to weigh
Here, check this out.
2,800 pounds at this point.
But look how freaking high this thing is sitting now. And you can try to settle it, like for any of you guys who freaking.
It just won't do it.
Suspension sag all.
Just won't do it.
Look how freaking high it is. That's like how much weight we've taken.
Look at
that. Look at the front, it looks retarded.
Take a drive by our pile over there.
Yeah.
See these?
Yeah, so then so it's roadster, right? So we're gonna chop, this is another cut line. It'll be roof back, will be gone. So we cut the doors. These are finished cuts. So real nice. But yeah, so we want to kind of go like, I don't think the whole car is gonna be old school necessarily. Jane was taking the lead on design, but we thought this would be pretty sick. So these are old Toyota Corolla mirrors, right? Was it Corolla? Yeah.
I think
Oh
so.
my god.
Yeah. So we're kind of getting those fitted up, but it's gonna be gangster. It's gonna be like a missile, but our type of missile.
So the seat doesn't fit. Oh, so
Seat-
you're making
the seat will
brackets.
fit, but we're gonna make some custom seat brackets so that we don't have to pay $250 for super tall ones. So.
But we're going to chop off the roof to put them in.
Yeah. It'll be a little bit easier to get the seat in position. 2, 3. Whoa.
She's a little loosey-goosey.
Whoa. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Roadster! Open that garage door.
How heavy is that?
It's pretty heavy, dude.
We're only doing this for weight loss reasons, not coolant effect.
Yeah. Do you want to talk about it?
Let us know in the comments below if you want to talk about it.
Oh my god. I can't believe this just happened. New steering wheel? Ooh.
Good no-till.
Monster. Just this thing.
What's going on? Noise over here.
Got a cool steering wheel.
No more tilt, huh? What's our
Want to talk about how we have no check engine lights? We're ready to rip.
Mirrors are on, boys. We can't put the seat in yet because why, JMO?
We're out of welding gas.
Oh, that's what we're out of? Oh, so basically he's gonna make like some brackets and then put the fat boy seat right there. It fits pretty nice.
For a fat boy seat.
Alright, so we just got all the major cuts done. So really now it's just kind of cleaning everything up and kind of figuring out how we're going to cap everything off. So like these will probably just do like a flat cap as well as the roof line. And then I think here we're going to do some kind of cool like covering kind of match the dash. So think of like if this was like a dash in a way. So I don't know what we'll do, maybe a crazy animal print or Louis Vuitton or something. So that'll be all kind of clean and smooth there. JMO's finishing up the seat mount, so then we got the new steering wheel and the seat in, and then we're ready to build the cage. So that's kind of the next big step, and the cage is going to tie in to like here and kind of make this whole thing structurally sound again, because it's probably like a taco right now.
Ready to probably just fold.
Yeah. And we got these sick ass mirrors put on too.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys want to talk about that or not.
Pretty sick, pretty sick.
But yeah, stay tuned. This thing's gonna come together. This was kind of just the video to intro this car, and it's gonna be sick. We're gonna get her polished up. I don't feel like it'll be. It looks like a lot of work, and it is a good amount of work, but I think we'll be rolling in no time. So stay tuned.